Slovenia. We are so happy that we can be here again on the ATM 2021, and we are very happy that we can sell our beautiful Slovenia to the GCC markets with very good help of AVIAREPS, of course. We have very great cooperation since 2016, and we are happy to have such a good and professional partner on this market, because we don't have any Slovenian office here, so AVIAREPS is the one who helps us to sell and promote all the beauties of Slovenia. We hope that we will do the best after all this crisis that happened in 2020, and we are very optimistic to sell and work in the future together with AVIAREPS.
Hi, my name is Fruzsina Zakarias, and I'm representing the Hungarian Tourism Agency and its daughter company Visit Hungary. I'm the Deputy CEO. The reason why we are here now in 2021 at ATM is that Hungary would like to expand its activity in the GCC countries, and we plan to open a representative office during the fall of this year. We are extremely happy that AVIAREPS is our partner to help us to build up a strong network. We are extremely delighted to have someone's local knowledge here.
Our vision is to create a delightful experience to every guest. Our partner in Middle East is very important because we don't have any properties. This AVIAREPS is helping us very well, and we are working together very well.
I want to say thank you for AVIAREPS to arrange all this meeting, which was during the exhibition. I believe that all of this will help us with the business for all our hotels all over the world.
Hopefully in the future we create beautiful partnership as we did.
We are very excited to be here on ATM 2021. It's our first time that Israel is here on ATM with our booth. And I would like to thank AVIAREPS, the company who is helping us with organizing meetings here on the booth and out of the booth. They are very, very helpful, and my sincerely true thank you for that.
I'm really glad to have been working with AVIAREPS. They have been showing a good quality when it comes to connecting different stakeholders and managing different communications between different parties, talking about business events specifically. So thank you so much and wish you all the best.